Welcome to the OCMP video tutorial. In this video we show you how to create a new OCMP user. Enjoy! To create a user, click on the menu in the upper left corner. Navigate to Users and Roles. Once here, click on Users and create a new user by clicking on the blue button. Now you need to specify the name and email of the desired user. With a click on the blue button, you will automatically create an initial password, which the user will receive in his email box within a few minutes. Now assign a role to the desired user and save the process. Cheers!